Let's be real, finding the perfect hairdryer can be very challenging. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I am a beauty video journalist here at Beauty Insider. But hey, no worries, I have compiled only the best hair dryers that you can get in Singapore. So let's go. The first one on our list is no stranger to the public, and it is none other than the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. It is powerful and fast because of the Dyson digital motor V9. On average, this hairdryer is 6 times faster than any other hairdryers. Additionally, this hairdryer comes with a diffuser, smoothing nozzle, styling concentrator, and a gentle air attachment. Moving on, being one of the top hairdryers in Singapore, the GHD Air Hairdryer has a powerful strength motor of 2,100 watts. It also has a removable air filter that delivers a high pressure of airflow for faster drying. Additionally, this hairdryer has an advanced Ionic technology that reduces frizz and flyaways. There's also a cool shot button where you press that helps lock your finished look with a blast of cold air. Isn't that interesting? Other than that, I highly recommend the BaByliss Pro Spectrum hairdryer. The BaByliss Pro Spectrum hairdryer gives you a 2,100 watts motor with an extra penetration of airflow with high-speed drying. This advanced technology releases 50% more frizz-controlling ions that neutralizes the static change and smoothen the hair cuticles for a much smoother and shiny hair. We also have a cheaper alternatives for hair dryers, and I totally vouch for the Philips HP8233 ThermoProtect Ionic hair dryer. This dryer gives you a fast drying at a lower temperature. It helps protect your hair while enjoying the fast drying results. Additionally, this hair dryer has multiple different temperatures and speed settings. It is also one of the best hair dryers in Singapore because of its sleek design. This next hairdryer is a classic household brand, and it is none other than the Philips Essential Care Silence hairdryer. The air inlet grill gives an increased airflow, while the shape and size of the hairdryer improves the flow of the air. Not only that, as this hairdryer is ergonomic and compact, it is light and easy to handle, requiring a small storage space. Another product from Philips I believe deserves to be mentioned as well would be the Philips HP S910 Prestige Pro hairdryer. It features a 2,100 watt motors that reaches up to 160 km per hour airspeed, hence being 40% faster, making your hair drying and styling even faster. Additionally, the charged negative ion eliminates static, which allows the hair to be shiny and smooth. Besides that, you should definitely consider the Braun Satin Hair 7 HD780 Professional SensoDryer. It comes with a professional slim nozzle that focuses the air more for the precision of styling. Also, the thermal sensor for active temperature control help prevent the hairdryer from overheating the hair, causing damage. Additionally, built in is a professional fan system that maintains a strong airflow even with a nozzle is attached. Jumping into another great hairdryer that you should get in Singapore would be the Tefal HV1342 Elite Handy Hairdryer. This hairdryer is one of the best hairdryers in Singapore, as it comes with a 1.8 meter power cord and a hanging loop. It also has the convenience of a foldable and ultra compact frame. This ultimately makes it easier for storage and even for traveling. Last but not least, I have to include the Panasonic EH-NE42 Ionity hair dryer in our list. It helps moisture penetrate deep into the hair cuticles, and the negative ions and moisture coat the surface of the hair. Above all, this hair dryer has a foldable handle which allows for extra portability and extra storage. This Panasonic hair dryer has an improved internal construction for quiet operation. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should I make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you can shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!